Hello guys, guess what? This will be another vacuum cleaner video, and this is my grandma's Eureka upright vacuum cleaner. It is an Airspeed 1. Gotta do this pretty quick. They are out right now and they'll be back here in a bit. It looks like a Dyson a little bit. Alright, and here it is. There's your power switch. It has your onboard attachments. It's very lightweight. My grandma told me she likes this vacuum because it's very light for her. I'm trying to figure out how to put this down. I believe it goes like... Yeah, there we go. That's how we put it down. See where that little footprint thing is? That's how you put the vacuum down. And as you notice, this room is very dirty because the Merry Maids only come like maybe once or twice or once a month or once every 2 months. I'm not sure. Gotta do this quick before they get back. Otherwise, my grandma's gonna get upset that I use this. She doesn't like it when other people use it, but I take good care of stuff. I'm going to put the camera here, or like that, so you guys can see the vacuum. I'm going to vacuum this room. Oh, this room is dirty. Alright, I'll make sure the view is good. Wish I had a tripod, but I don't. And there we go, the view is excellent. Here we go. Camera over here so you can see this view. Alright, I'm going to show you one more thing, and then I have to end the video before they get back. I do not want to get yelled at for playing with this, but this room is a lot cleaner now. You can see the tracks. This vacuum is not as good as the vacuums I have at home, but it works okay. So what I want to show you has zero height adjustments. It's a cyclonic vacuum. And as you can see, the room is so much cleaner. And I am going to end the video here. I gotta get this put back. And thank you for watching, and that's it.